Assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan Ahmad. Now I am at Gozaria village. The natural beauty of Gozaria is really great. People are cutting their paddy and they are harvesting uh, their paddy. The uh, season of harvesting paddy is really great especially in village. And two students of Chandapur Tomizuddin High School, Ashik and Rafsan, are playing cricket, and the people of Gozaria and Fulbaria are really great. Uh, it always reminds me a lot. I am spreading education among Gozaria and Fulbaria village people. It is my vision to educate Gozaria and people of Fulbaria, and one student playing cricket. His name is Namki
Rafsan.
Rafsan. He is studying in class uh, 8. That makes a great sense of human science and humanity. Everyone of world and Bangladesh must see this uh, video, must see this. The beauty of Gojaria and Fulbaria really great. Uh, I am especially visiting Gojaria and Fulbaria village because I want to spread education among Gojaria and Fulbaria. That's why I am working for that. I urge or I invite Donald Trump, Joe Biden, Keir Starmer, Vladimir Putin, Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Volodymyr Zelensky, Narendra Modi, Keir Starmer, Dr. Mohammad Yunus to make peace in our world, to establish peace in our world, to ensure peace in our world. I am working for বিশ্ব মানবাধিকার রক্ষা সংঘ রায়ন আহমদ সভাপতি প্রতিষ্ঠাতা বিশ্ব মানবাধিকার রক্ষা সংঘ. That's why I am working for that. I am Ryan Ahmad, President and founder of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. It is my vision to ensure education among rural people of Bangladesh and around the world.